chances are you're at home, or possibly your gym is closed. Well, we are on the same page. As we understand, this time all gyms are closed, and unfortunately for some of us that we exercise pretty much 3 days a week, it sucks, and I understand that. That's why today I'll teach you how to do dumbbell fly, dumbbell press, bench press at home without needing to purchase anything. It's gonna even teach you how to crack your own back. I was initially thinking to make a video of how to crack your own back at home without anyone's help. And this video is kind of a 2 birds with 1 stone. So while you're doing bench press at home, you'll be able to crack your own back as well. I know it sounds funny, but once you do it, you'll get what I mean, and chances are probably you're gonna be addicted to it. Just to give you a disclaimer in here, gyms and exercise and bodybuilding can hurt you, and in some cases may even kill you. So I really suggest to take this video as an entertainment purpose only, and if you want to do any of these practices, which I don't really suggest, please do it with a lot of caution. If you have someone around that can watch, that would be amazing, or give you a hand lifting the dumbbells, or if you can do light exercises until the gyms are open again, that would be amazing. We can all go back in the gym and do our exercises. Again, be very careful, especially exercising at home. And also, more important than that, make sure that you always warm up before exercise. Again, make sure warm up at least 15 minutes before your exercise so that you won't get hurt. Practice a lot of caution. But before I proceed, make sure to hit the like button so that the algorithm in YouTube will help me to grow my channel, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel as I'm still aiming for 1,000 subscribers here. Again, if you wanna hit the bell notification as well, you will receive notifications every time that I post a video, so you won't miss out. Thanks for your support, stay tuned, and let's go and do our dumbbell press at home without needing a bench press. So basically, the first thing that you need is a pair of dumbbells. Yeah, dumbbells. I tried the 10-pound dumbbells because they are lightweighted and it's easier to handle. So 10 pound each, or around 5 kilograms each. The second and most important thing that you need is a hide bed or a futon or a pull-out couch. If it's a pull-out couch, it's much easier, or if you call it a futon or a hide bed, different places, different names, that will be amazing. Basically, the reason of having a futon or a hide bed or a couch is because you can basically remove these, and that's the most crucial part of doing a bench press at home. So basically, the first thing you want to do is you want to remove these pillows. I usually remove just one of them because one will be enough, and I have the rest of the space all to myself. The next thing after removing the pillows is basically doing the bench press. How? Just see how I do it. So I basically like to grab my 2 dumbbells, be very careful, and place my back right in here. But before that, I really suggest you to have something like a blanket or a bed sheet so that you don't ruin your couch or your pull-out bed. Usually a kitty blanket or a doggy blanket will work out. Please don't steal your kitten or your doggy's blanket. That's not fair, it's not nice. I just have a spare blanket around here and I just use that. I just take the blanket here over the armrest. You want to place the blanket over the armrest and your bench press is almost ready. The next thing that I would like to do is grab my dumbbells pretty firm. Carefully, I sit here, face my back, and rest on the armrest. Bring my dumbbells up, and make sure again you have already warmed up for at least 15 minutes. That is very, very important. The next is I just push myself. You want to have your feet steady, straight up. I'll bring my hands up. Make sure there is nothing under my both arms. There is enough space. slowly I go down, up, down, up. I can hear every single crack that happens in my back, and that feels the best ever in my life. Just had another crack. Then you want to lower the dumbbells. You want to make sure that you do this very slowly and you have already warmed up so that no injuries happen and you enjoy your bench press. Dumbbell flies is one of my most favorite exercises that I always do, that I love to do, and I will not exchange it for anything. I understand there are many other experts out there on other channels that suggest you that dumbbell flies are not good for you, but I always love this exercise, and the main reason, and actually where I learned it from, Arnold Schwarzenegger, and that's one of my favorite exercises. The main reason that I like it, as he mentions it, once you go all the way down, you can feel all the pulls, all the muscles being pulled on your chest. That's my number one favorite exercise, and I will never exchange it with anything. Number one, because I can feel the muscles being pulled and going all the way down. Almost sometimes I can feel that my hands are touching the ground. That's the best part of it. And the other reason is I can crack my own back. I have done this a million times and I love it every time that I can hear my back crack. I can hear all the cracks going up from the center of my back all the way under my head. Again, be very careful, exercise with caution, make sure you warm up, enjoy the beautiful day, and enjoy exercising. Thanks for watching.